Welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Last week we discussed about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Snp500 and Russell. All those indexes went to the support and from the support they gave the upside. We talked about commodities, gold and silver. They gave very good upside. This week we need to talk about all these indexes and commodities again, and we want to see where the market wants to go from here. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel, and stay tuned. So friends, this is a trading view. As you all know, let's do the analysis of Nasdaq first. Please, let's hide the chart first and do the weekly and monthly analysis. So today it's 17th, right? We are doing a monthly analysis now. The monthly chart says there is an indecisive candle. We will go to the weekly. Weekly says that this is a doji candle. The last week also doji candle. Both the candle says there is an indecisiveness on the weekly time frame. If we go to the day time frame, it created a doji, but on the Thursday there was a strong green candle. Now let's convert this chart into the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, the 4-hourly time frame says that Nasdaq 100 needs to trade about 13,205. Okay, so let's convert this into the hourly time frame and unhide our drawing, so we'll get the better levels. So if you see here, okay, so let's see our daily time frame first. It says that we clearly gave a breakout of this channel, right? And then after this breakout, the index went up, and this is a trend line. So now let's convert it into the hourly to get the more correct levels. So these are the correct levels, or you can say we can understand where the Nasdaq 100 has the support and resistance. So on the hourly time frame, we see that 12,950, which is a very strong support, which we are talking from the very long time. You can see that it took the support here very nicely and then again went up, right? And then again it came back to 13,000 and again went up. So it clearly says that 12,900, 950 will be a very strong support for the shorter and medium time frame. 12,900, 12,950, right? And now if it respects this support every time and going up, then I think that 13,200 is definitely going to cross with the full volume, and the first target would be 13,350. So my friends, I'm still looking more upside in the market from here again. Okay, and if it trades below 12,950, then we will talk about the downside. But right now I am seeing the two targets. 13,350 is the first target, 13,550 is the second target. If we talk about the downside, if it starts trading and sustaining below 12,900, 950, then the first target would be 12,770 and second is 12,500. But I am still positive in the market. Still, I am looking for the upside in the market. Now we will talk about the Dow Jones. So this is a S&P 500 chart first. Now we will talk about the hourly time frame here, because the day time frame is same like Nasdaq 100, which says indecisiveness. So we will talk about the hourly time frame. You can clearly see here. Okay, let me zoom it. This is a trend line, a resistance trend line, okay, area, and this is a support area. Okay, see here it took the support here, right? And the trend line resistance is the first is here, second it took here, third it took here, and fourth it took here. Right now I am seeing that 4160 is a support. Okay, the immediate target is 4200. 4200 is the immediate target, And the next target I want to tell you on the upside, that wow, so that is almost 100 points from here. So the first target is 4200, second target is 4300. Reason is this flag and pole pattern it has created. You can see here the flag and pole, right? So this is a flag which we have drawn. This is a flag cloth and this is a pole, right? Now we will talk about the downside only when it starts trading below 4100, right? Or you can say there is a one more support coming. If it starts trading below 4160 and stay below 4140, then the first target is coming around 4100 and the second target is coming around 4000. Okay, so these are the two targets for upside and downside. We'll talk about Dow Jones now. Okay, here also we'll talk on the hourly time frame. Okay, we'll talk about hourly time frame here also. You can see here how nicely it took support on this trend line. You can see here, and then here it took support here and this point, and then it is traveling on this trend line. Now the first support is 34000. 34,000 is the first support. We'll talk about the upside targets. Okay, the upside targets are, you can see here, the upside targets are right now it is trading near 34,100. The upside is of 400 points, 34500, and the second is 34900. Okay, these are the two upside targets. Now if we talk about the downside, my friends, for the downside we need to watch the level of 34,000. This 34,000 is not sustaining at the higher levels and coming down, then 33,900 the first target, means 100 points down from here. Second is 33,730, 200 points, and then the third target is 33,430. These are the three targets I am looking for the downside. Now let's talk about Russell. So for the Russell, if I talk about the day time frame, the candle is kind of spinning top. We will talk on the hourly time frame now. On the hourly time frame, you can see here currently it has a you can see the important point is 1800. If it starts trading above 1800, right now it is 1796. If it starts trading and sustaining above 1800, then the first target is 1830. Okay, first target is coming around 1830 and the second target is coming around 1875. Okay, so this is the second target. Now when we will talk about downside, if it not sustained above 1800, and it can take a U-turn for the 1770. The second is 1775. These are the two downside target for the Russell. So friends, this was all about the indexes. We will quickly review the one important stock, that is Apple, and then we will move towards commodities. As I mentioned you so many times in last many videos, right? The Apple has crossed this big trend line, this big channel, right? This was the channel top and this is the channel bottom. This very big channel, right? This Apple has crossed, you can see here. So now the very important level for Apple is 157, this line. So this area, if Apple is staying above this area and continuously sustain above 163, right? This is the 163. If it sustain above this 163, then the first target is 170, second is 176. We will be negative on the Apple only and only when it starts trading below 156, 157, this area, right? This area, then the first target is 151 and second target is 144. These are the two targets for the downside. Let's talk about the precious commodities gold and silver. Gold and silver, we will do the daytime frame analysis. You can see here gold has uh, gold has gave a good breakout, okay, above 2000 level. You can see here, let me zoom it. Above 2000 level, gold has given a very good breakout, and you can see here on it has given a breakout on this trend line also. Okay, this trend line breakout also you can see here. After a very long time, it broke this resistance, right? This was the first resistance, and then this is second resistance, and third time it broke it, and it continuously sustained above it. So what is in the store for the gold? For the gold, it's in the store the same thing. If it stays and sustain above $2,000, right? Currently, it is trading at 2017. If it trade and sustain about 2000, then again it is going to go towards 2050. And the second target is 2100. In last many videos, I mentioned that gold has a big target in the 6 month time frame, that is almost up to 2400. Only criteria is it has to maintain the level of $2,000. It has to consecutively maintain about $2,000. If we see the weekly chart, you can see a clear, nice breakout here. See, this is a weekly chart. You can see here, this was a top, this was a second top, and this is a third top, right? If it managed to stay above this $2,000, right, on the coming weeks continuously, then definitely it can consolidate here and then give a very big up move. Okay, so this is the channel, you can see, and this is the flag and pole pattern. So the criteria is it needs to stay above $2,000 on week basis. If we talk about the downside can be possible if it starts trading below $2,000. Then the first downside target is 1962 and second is 1920. These are the two targets for the downside. Let's talk about the last commodity, silver. For the silver, the chart is very amazing for the silver, right? You can see I was continuously, mentioning on the YouTube channel, on the Discord, and on the YouTube short videos that silver has a very big resistance, on strong resistance above 24.50, right? You can see here from last 1 or 2 months we were very bullish on the index, on the these commodities, and they actually performed. But the silver chart is very strong. It is saying that unless and until it is about $24.50, silver has more room to go upside, right? So we will talk about the targets, and let's convert this chart into the hourly time frame first. Okay, so you can see here all the silvers, the targets are very good. The first target is if it stays above 25.50 again. Okay, if it stays about 25.50 again, the first target is 26.50 and the second target is coming near. Let us zoom it for the second target. The second target is coming near 28.50. These are the very good targets. First target is 26.50, second target is 28.50. Stop loss would be below 23.50. Stop loss will be below 23.50. This is a very important number which we need to see. And now what happens? Where is the downside? Where we can expect the downside? If you want to see the downside should be below 23.50. Okay, if we convert into the hourly daily time frame, you will understand what about the downside we are talking. Or the downside, it has to the downside would be 24.50. 24.50 is the support, right? If it breaks 24.50, then first target is showing as 23.50 and second target is showing as a 22.50. These are the two targets for the downside. The criteria is it needs to stay and sustain below 24.50. right? Why? Because the 24.50 was a very big resistance here, and then that got broke. So unless and until silver is above 24.50, it is in a safe hand. If it starts trading below 24.50, then 23.50 is the first target, and 22.50 is the second target. So friends, this was all about today's analysis. You can surely visit our channel Stock Dr. RR. You can see here nowadays I post lot of short videos where uh, in the live market I create the video when there is a breakout, and then I gave the mention about the stop loss and the targets. So this is very important to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, so you will get the notification of all videos which I make in the real time. So this was all about today, my friends. Last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one. Bye bye.